Canary! Imagine, Sophia, Connor Canary, right here in Sunnytown. Comic-Con is next week. Ah, qué guapo. He's so cute.
Hey, question mark.
Right. We have to figure out how to make enough money for those tickets. And fast. Retire rich? That's not gonna work. How to make $1 million in 60 days? We don't have 60 days. Sophia, focus. We're not here for mystery books. I wish we had an electronic enigma box to tell us what to do.
We do! Watch this.
Earn big money from the comfort of your own home? No risk, little effort. If we do this, we can make way more money than we need in less than a week.
Two sisters big on dreams, but short on cash. It's a problem that can lead to bad decisions, and scammers are ready to take advantage of anyone looking for an easy payday. My name is Eva El Dorado, and I'm the world's greatest cyber detective. Today's mystery is about a work-from-home scam right out of the classifieds. Or is it the funny pages? I call this the case of the Comic Con. When deceitful people create fake job postings to benefit themselves, they may use these to steal your personal information and financial assets.
Right. What's the job? It says here that first we have to pay a small fee for the startup materials, and then they'll send us all the information on how the job works.
We pay them? Question mark.
I guess that's just the way they do it.
Help mom and dad? Question mark.
Yeah, we can. Let's do this!
Online business scams can promise you the moon, but you could end up in a black hole. In the shadowy world of cybercrime, we call coincidences flags. And this website has flags as red as a penguin sunbathing in Miami. If anyone could get rich quick, we'd all be millionaires. Let's see if the sisters can spot the con and get to Comic-Con.
Hi, girls. Ready for the book club meeting, Sophia?
Hi, Nancy. Can't go. Need to work from home.
Work from home? What do you mean? I'm not sure this is a good idea. When I was in college, I got scammed by an ad just like this. The ad said that if I bought a bunch of products and I sold them to my friends, I would make a lot of money. But it was all fake. They just took my money and never sent me anything. I was so embarrassed. Also, look, there isn't any contact information for the company.
No address. No phone number.
Yeah, all these people say they lost a bunch of money on this site.
Paying money to work, no company information, bad reviews. Those are major red flags for a scam.
Whoa, we almost fell for it. Well, so much for Comic-Con.
Oh, you're trying to make money to go to Comic-Con? You don't need to buy tickets if you volunteer. I know someone who works there. I can hook you up if you want.
That would be amazing! Of course, yes! Thank you, Nancy. We're going to Comic-Con. We're going to Comic-Con.
Nancy arrived just in time to help spot the red flags. Paying to work, no company information, and plenty of steamed customers. Now, the only con these girls will be a part of has 2 volunteer passes with their names on them. So if you think you may have been scammed or aren't sure if something's the real deal, reach out to someone you trust, your service coordinator or provider, and see what they think. The more eyes on a case, the better. Remember, in the world of cybercrime, the regional center is on your side. Be smart, stay safe, and if something doesn't seem right, speak up.